Hello, iPhone Wiz here again, and today I found this new website called Iringer. It'll be over in the description. It's just iringer.net, and it's a program that allows you to create ringtones that go directly to iTunes from any one of your songs. If you bought it or not off iTunes, it just allows you. You have to just. All right, I'll just show you how we do it. Okay. First, you're going to go to iringer.net, and it'll look like this. Go down to the bottom of the page. You'll say Iringer 2.2, whatever. Just Iringer zip, and that will open and download, and it will look something like this. So after you do that, click it. You'll go through the installation process. Pretty easy and stuff. So you just just open this up. Double click. Opens up nicely, as you can see. Now what you do now is you go to import, and all you have to do is you got to figure out where your music's located. My music's located right here. Pick a song that you would like. Let's see. Let's go with Robin Thicke, Complicated. Open that up. There's a couple ads, but don't worry about it. It's free. If you want to pay for it, you can get the ads away according to what this says right here. But like, you can preview it.
I wish I could change. I wish I could change.
You can stop it. You can move it along in the song to any point.
Blues on you. I wish I
Like that, and then you can add effects by clicking down here where it says click add effects. There's like delay, reverse, boost, stuff like that. I'm not going to add any effects in this. You can mess around with that. You can only go up to 30 seconds, but you don't really need more than that anyway. So once you have your good preview and everything, you go to export, and it's going to say this, looping time 1.5 seconds. You can just say export straight to iTunes, and then you hit go. It's gonna create the iTunes, and then it's gonna come up with this has been created. Click OK. Then you go over to iTunes, which was right there. Hold on, let me open that up. iTunes will open up. Robin Thicke, Complicated.
wish I could love like nobody loves. I wish that my girl done with my bed.
That is it. Then you plug in your iPhone, and you should know how to do it from there. And if not, leave a comment. I'll tell you, even though it's pretty easy. So this is iPhone Wiz signing off again. Subscribe, leave comments. Thanks.